Hello, in this video I will show you how to replace the cabin filter on BMW 5 Series, 5 Series GT, even 7 Series, the F10, F11 model, F01. The cabin filter is located underneath the glove box. There's a couple of torque bolts that we need to remove, so that we'll remove the panel underneath the glove box. After we remove the panel, now we can see the housing for the cabin filter. There's two cabin filters. First we need to remove these 6mm bolts and remove the panel, and then afterwards change the filters. Here are the filters. When you put on the new filters, make sure you see which way the airflow is going, and you put the new filter in the right way. And that's it. If the video is helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel. Give the video thumbs up. Thank you.